Crocky the Clumsy. Crocky the crocodile was a bit clumsy. He'd trip over his own tail, bump into trees, and splash mud all over himself. One day, Crocky was trying to catch a tasty dragonfly. He leaped out of the water, but instead of catching the dragonfly, he landed with a big splash, right in a pile of soft mud. He tried to get up, but he just sank deeper and deeper. His friends, Flora the frog and Ferdinand the fish, giggled.
You're stuck, Crocky. Help, I can't get out. Try wiggling your tail, Crocky.
Crocky wiggled his tail as hard as he could. Slowly, slowly, he started to wiggle out of the mud. Finally, with a big push, he was free. He shook himself off, mud flying everywhere.
You're a mess, Crocky. I know, but I had fun.
From that day on, Crocky was still a bit clumsy, but he learned to laugh at his mistakes. And sometimes, he even tried to land in the mud on purpose, just for fun.